The back, which extends from the skull to the tip of the coccyx, can be defined as the posterior surface of the trunk. Or you can say it is the posterior aspect of the thorax, and the abdomen is referred to simply as the back. Here there is a deep layer of muscles belonging to the back proper, which is studied along with the head and neck. And a superficial group of muscles belongs to the upper limb, but are placed on the back. Some of these are inserted into the scapula, while others reach the humerus. The scapula and the muscles that connect the scapula to the trunk are superimposed on the upper part of the back. The upper limb muscles present on the back and in the shoulder region produce important movements of the upper limb. We will discuss the superficial group of muscles in detail in this lecture. Beneath the layer of these muscles, the back consists of a bony structure known as the vertebral column. The vertebral column is the central longitudinal bony pillar of the body. It supports the skull, pectoral girdle, upper limbs, and thoracic cage, and by way of the pelvic girdle, transmits body weight to the lower limbs. The spinal cord, the roots of the spinal nerves, and the covering meninges lie within the cavity of the vertebral column, which provides great protection to those structures. The vertebral column is composed of a total of 33 vertebrae, organized in 5 regions. These regions are the cervical vertebrae. There are 7 cervical vertebrae in the human spine. Then we have the thoracic vertebrae, which are 12 in number. Lower down, we have 5 lumbar vertebrae. And at the lowest end, we have 5 sacral and 4 coccygeal bones that are fused together. Numerous joints connect these many individual segments, thus making the vertebral column quite flexible. That was just a brief introduction of the back. As I mentioned before, the focus of our lecture today would be on the structures which connect the upper limb with the back of the trunk. So we will talk about muscular attachment in detail. But before that, let's go through the surface anatomy of the back.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.